Yo, it's Xbox Boy, and I'll be showing you help on Xbox Live. So, first of all, we'll start off. You need one of these to get connected. I'll show you how to connect it with it. And with these wires, it comes with it. You plug it into the computer. A microphone. It's a wireless one. It's a wire. And the Xbox. Old Betsy. See this? Plug it in the back. And then connect here. Stand that up. There we go. Now, the other one. Other wire. This one. You put that in like that. Well, I have a laptop, so you plug it into the computer. Okay, so whatever. You understand? It doesn't matter. Okay, and you also need a gold pass. And the mic. Well, charger here. And try not to turn it on and off too much, your mic. Yeah, got it. So you need this. Or this. I might go up. You don't have to, but if you want to talk. Xbox. And pretty much, if you have to have a gold pass or silver pass or bronze pass to get on the internet. And you want Xbox and I'm gonna plug this in. Well, actually, I won't. Next thing will be the new one. So, Xbox Play Out. If you have any questions, just ask about the Xbox. I'm very good. Xbox Play Out.